Hello, my name is Dr. Fiona Campbell. I am a respiratory therapist and the program director for the Lone Star College-Kingwood Respiratory Care Program. Respiratory therapists are essential healthcare workers that specialize in respiratory and cardiac disease processes. We are a very important part of the healthcare team that work in labor and delivery, emergency rooms, acute care hospitals, and the diagnostic arenas. A large part of our profession is that we are the practitioners that initiate, manage, and discontinue the use of ventilators on patients. The salary potential for a respiratory care practitioner is a little over $60,000 per year. The Houston area offers a vast employment opportunity in which greater than 90% of our graduates obtain full-time positions with benefits. The program does require a special application process as with all other health occupation programs. For information about our program, please feel free to contact us. Email us at kc-respiratorycare@lonestar.edu or call us at 281-312-1708. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about our respiratory care program, and we look forward to having you as a student.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.